Aries, Leo, and my Sagittarius. Thanks for returning, and thanks for the comments, and thanks for telling me that I rock. Thank you. Let's start with the reading, and it's going to be timeless. It depends. If the calling will be, I'll provide the date or the month or the week or whatever, but otherwise it's just with the flow, okay? And there's going to be lotus that will bloom in your life. It's pious. It's something that you are coming out, or there's this situation coming out of the muddy waters. Something feels so fresh. Sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, namaste. Follow on Instagram, SSHE LLS Shells Running. Thank you for loving me and my work. I really appreciate it. You have the first card. I'm going to use Morgan. There's high manifestation rate of something in your life right now. High manifestation. I'm doing the cut here. I'm going to use the card. This is out, okay? High manifestation of possible getting rid of something. 10 of Swords energy. So I said high manifestation, which is about coming out of muddy water. You are growing from something that was traumatized or something that was taking a lot of time to heal. I feel finalizations or ending or removing, getting rid of something that is not supposed to be there. Possibly it is about formatting the stuff as well. Real-time formatting, kind of, that you've been keeping for possible years or months, and now you are out there manifesting using your resources. And it is also about accepting. So maybe you people are going in the phase of acceptance, and when you get to the point of acceptance, you get rid out of whatever the thing is, the crap is, drama is, whatever, if it is happening with you, okay, if it is. So 10 of Swords energy is like, I'm done with something, and closure. Okay. That's what I just heard. Closure of something. Page of Cups. Maybe there's a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel like you're annoyed with someone, or you are getting rid of something because they keep saying. It's like, maybe their energy is like, what? You're doing this? Oh yeah. I was about to say in Hindi, haan. Haan is H-A-A-N. In English, Hindi we write. But it is yes, haan, yes, why, yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. That kind of attitude you need right now. You people being into this, like, okay, getting easy, like letting loose and all that stuff. So I see you removing, getting rid of, challenging someone even. And because they may be feeling like you're not going to, however, this can go vice versa. But then again, you are free. You're free from some complicated situation. All in all, this is major. Zero the Fool energy. And for me, when I use my playing deck, over there, there's a Joker. And my Joker is my Dare card. Dare to do something that you might not have done ever. Or you might not be doing for a very long time, but you're going to do it. You are having faith in that. You're going to do it now. Okay, now Zero the Fool energy is also beginning in your life. So maybe there is Page of Cups after the ending. Something is also in the picture. Something possible fresh. You know, someone who is having free will to come towards you and you to go to them. Kind of like, okay, we have to explore. We have to start. We have to have faith. That's, I feel something loyal and affectionate is around you. If that is, this may be even love or something else. With the Magician, it's high time. It's high time to manifest that. Also have the cut side, King of Swords energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you may be dealing with one. There is fresh start. There is someone you can look up to, or there is someone who is looking up to you. Like, in order to meet, this is new beginning, new journey possible in love or work related stuff. But it is having belief. It's about something that is a white flower. That's what I see. This may be Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but this is also parting with someone, not getting too emotional in order to end something so that we can begin something new. Something sour that you're getting rid of. Also, when I see lotus is coming out of muddy water. That means that you're in the high zone of doing something, manifesting something. What they're trying to say regarding lotus coming out? For some of you, this wolf will sniff. This is my own deck, okay? So I use it sometimes when the calling is. For Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, this wolf will sniff. I have to, okay, they are sniffing your area, and the wolf go in for partners for life kind of energy. So they may be sniffing. And they're giving you certain kind of signal. Oh my female, or oh my wolf. Where are you? Oh my partner, Earth. Oh, that's a very different thing over here. Like Earth is also Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but this is someone who's going to actually let things work, make things work. Again, remember these are general, so may go vice versa. With Earth, I said that they are from Earth. They are not from, they're here. So if this, we are connecting with the realm of souls and spirits, they are in this realm now, evolved, and they are there. That was amazing. Actually, on practical basis, this is something physical as well, something that you're going to make work, something that is happening actually. Someone who is searching you on this planet, kind of. And I feel the energy is all about the startup. So I see Lotus is this someone who is love of your life, coming out of the muddy waters, and then like their own struggles or something. This may be your own, but now people are ready on Earth to come together. Very interesting. Checking status. Someone is checking someone's status. Oh my God, I love you. On hold. Something may be on hold or was on hold, will not be forever. Someone may have water sign in their chart possible, because you have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you have the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, and you have your own energy, of course, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Someone is checking someone's status, and they're actually doing it, and they're thinking about manifesting something in mind. Looking forward to have even the meeting. Interesting vibe. Interesting. You have Two of Cups energy. Lovers meeting, coming, maybe reunion. There is someone you're going to get close to. Something that's so genuine and is going with the flow. That's what I heard. Lotus coming out, and when the lotus is coming out, it has nothing to do with some, you know, the significance is, the symbolism might be, you can check by yourself, but it has nothing to do with the rose concept. It has to do something with the fresh startups and pious healing and having love, and it's all, I am all yours, you're all mine kind of energy. Beginning to feel free with one another, and I heard comfortable. You're going to be comfortable. There's going to be a lot that you're going to discuss with the person. Two of Cups is coming towards you. Both have that focus towards one another. Towards. And you may, the moon, you have so much to right now discuss. There may be Piscean, but you have so much to discuss, to know, because your life totally different. There's a lot that is yet to be said and done. Very interesting reading. I kind of like feel like this is going to be more, there's going to be more exposure to certain situation, and exposure for positive, of course. That's what I saw. Exposure to love, to claim something that people might not be doing right now, being expressed, having those, you know, confusion or clouds situation, but it's there. So you may end up saying it to or expressing this to you. Exposure is coming in this card, Four of Cups. It was always written, and this may be the opportunity of love or career related, but this is also you are thinking or planning of doing it. Like you're self-understanding and may not be claiming it right now, but you're going to understand it and then give it. So there's again Cup coming. It's an offer. Oh, an offer. Ace of Pentacles, even work related. Ace of Pentacles, something or someone is sincere here. They want to start this with you. Possible career or new job is there, new project is there, money, there's paycheck, check is there here. Check is coming possible. But it is also someone who is damn serious about this being close, not closure, being closer to one another. I heard like you're going to know interesting facts about one another. It's about discussion. It's about knowing. It's about knowing one another's interests, colors, and simple things, knowing what food you like, kind of energy, the fresh and very light vibe I see, which is good because we don't want heavy vibes, right? We don't want, but do if they come, they come. But I feel it's going to be very pious and fresh something, temperance. You're going to know about the facts about one another, some things, and that's going to balance out. Sagittarius, maybe. There's also water, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Sagittarius. There's Six of Swords energy. There's travel plans coming in future, possible in coming 6 weeks or 6 days, or possible maybe you're going to hear in the shortest time frame from someone in 6 hours. But also I feel it's like upcoming events in the future where you're going to meet with the one, maybe in the 2022, in the 6th month, possible you're going to meet. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, possible planning, or someone is going to come and meet you to balance both of your relationship here. The world, travel, and I feel stretch of horizon, and I feel like someone is damn missing you, and I feel like this is going to be the start of a new cycle when you are beginning, like Lotus is coming out, definitely. Wow, you're seeing new picture, new something with the person, like they may be Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, possibly you're dealing with, heading towards to make amends with stuff and all like that. Take care guys, I love you and see you soon, bye.